The discovery feature is a powerful feature that you can turn on in your Mighty network, both at the space level and at the network level. To turn the discovery feature on in a space, click on the settings icon. Scroll down to discovery and toggle it on. Just like all other space features, you can go ahead and change the display name if you'd like. Then you select which sections appear in the discovery. You've got some great options like your featured section, posts that you've added to feature or pin in your space, top posts, content that gets the most engagement, top members, your members that are the most engaged and active, members near you if you've turned on the location feature in your Mighty network, upcoming events that are happening soon, events near you if you've got events that are at specific locations, display field based on your custom field, or your welcome section. As a host, you can toggle these on or off by clicking on the checkbox. You can drag and drop them to move them around depending on which one is your priority. The discovery feature in a space is a great way to highlight the most important and relevant content in that space itself. And it can look something like this. We don't recommend turning on the discovery feature in a space until you have content to feature, like a featured section or members that are at the same location. Let's talk about the global discovery. To turn this on, click on your profile photo, head over to admin, and then open up your global features. Toggle on discovery, click manage, and you'll see the options for the sections in the global discovery. Similar to the space, we've got top posts. However, the global discovery aggregates content from across all spaces in your Mighty network that each member has access to. For example, top posts will pull posts and content and polls and questions from all spaces in your Mighty network that have the feed feature turned on. Members near you will be for all members. Top members will pull from your global member list as well. You can add content to your global featured section, which will appear in the featured section of discovery, events near you, display field, welcome checklist, top spaces, spaces near you. And then, as a host, you can also add custom sections. For example, maybe you specifically want to showcase the top spaces in your courses, as in your most important courses, the courses that you most want your members to purchase the upsell for. You can go ahead and check that off. And similarly, you can select spaces near you. I'll go ahead and drag this to the top because I definitely want members to purchase my upsells, and then I'll click save. Similar to the space discovery, the global discovery is a great way to highlight and draw your members' focus in on the most important and relevant content in your Mighty network, from your spaces to your posts to your members.